welcome back to the channel. We just made it to Alberta. We're a little deeper into Canada this time, in the greater Banff area. We are in fact back in Canada. Beautiful scenery out here. The mountains are incredible. The leaves are turning. I'm excited to share it with you. Good morning. We had quite the eventful night last night. We did have mice. Lula is an excellent mouser, so there's no problem there. Unfortunately, we had this door open right here, which, as you can see, blocks their litter box. Totally on us, but I got peed on last night by this little lady. We're gonna have to find a place to do laundry and our sheets and stuff like that. It's about time for a little walkie. You wanna walk? Go ahead and roast my fit in the comments. I am wearing the same hoodie as last week, and I will continue to wear this hoodie at me. As you can see, we got the baby cat out on the town today. We got old Chunkalish, Lula, in the van. We did end up moving sites last night, so we're at a campground. We were in the woods though, and Starlink doesn't work with the woods. So now we moved to this very open spot. Kind of crazy, we're down in this valley and there's mountains all around. It's really cool. So, not really sure what the plan is today. We have a little bit of work, so we gotta do that, which is why we're out here in the open with the Starlink. Hot girl walk. This girl loves to be outside. Oh, whoa. Come on. It is so pretty out here. As you can see, it's such a cool time to be in this part of the world. We're super thankful to be out here during fall. This is what we do when she's being a turd and she doesn't want to come inside. We use this carabiner. I clip it right over there. And then she has like a very small circle right outside the van that we can kind of keep an eye on her. Right here.
Come on, ladies.
Where to?
I have no idea.
If you don't know, or you've never been to a national park, they're very, very difficult to camp near. We've always had good luck in the off season just pulling up night of, finding a solid campsite.
$16 Canadian.
$16 Canadian for this campsite.
Hello.
Alright, just checking out. You're all good to go.
Thank you. How much was it per night?
$29.25.
Okay, thank you.
$16.
So a little more expensive than we thought, but still definitely worth it. Okay, just sauced up a little breakfast taco right outside of Banff.
Wow, thank you. I was excited.
In here we have roasted potatoes, tofu, a little bit of onion, a little bit of mushroom, and then some vegan cheese, and then a little bit of lime on top, a little bit of green onion.
And we're getting some sun poking through. A little bit of sun, a little bit.
We're about to go cruising for a bruising around town, but I wanted to show you guys the ladies real quick. This is how these women like to rest. Look at that. Alright, we walked around town for a little bit, and now we're doing some laundry over there. Quick little laundromat food here. We've got a bagel with this nice vegan chive and garlic cream cheese, cucumber, and a little bit of orange pepper, topped with balsamic vinegar.
So we made the rookie mistake of not pulling our duvet out from our duvet cover, thinking it would make no difference.
This is the current state of things. We got the duvet cover hanging up, the duvet hanging up. We're gonna try to go do a hike. It's only like a 2-mile hike, but it's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, a muskrat. Back on the road.
Railway Avenue.
Thank you. It also looks extremely rainy out there, huh?
It's rainy that way, it doesn't look rainy that way.
I feel like we're headed directly into the rain, but maybe not. Oh, Kenmore's really popping, huh? Look at these views, this backdrop right here. You look cool. We did just walk around a little bit, actually to find a bathroom because our composting toilet is full. But this town is beautiful and they have so many little walking trails. We're gonna be here, I think, probably for the next week or so. So I had originally planned for this video to be like a Banff National Park kind of stuff. I actually think that's gonna be next week's video, and instead this is just gonna be
downtime.
This is what most of van life is, but this is also probably what you see the least of.
There's some construction up ahead. First of all, this entire town has a very strict no overnight ordinance. We're not parking here. We're parking outside of city limits, but there is one single spot on I-Overlander that has not been completely shut down. We read last night that it like fills up really, really quickly. There's like a 1-to-5 ratio. So for every day where you see us do something cool, there are 5 days where you just do chores, you figure out your next spot, you find a place to dump gray water, you get groceries. I don't know. It's very just like normal day, like normal everyday life for us at this point. Especially, we're almost 5 years into van life now. I don't know. It's just life. One thing we're struggling with a little bit is like, we obviously want to show you guys the best parts of Canada and we want it to be pretty and out and like blue skies ideally, but obviously that's just not the case. We've had rain. So I think this is just kind of showing you the realities of what it's like. We're going to take you through it no matter what it looks like.
Speaking of realities, we're getting rained on very heavily right now. So we're headed back to the van. I'm ashamed to admit, but we are pretty unprepared for this.
We also only grabbed 1 can of bear spray, and when there's a bear in the area, we should both definitely be carrying our own cans.
Super glad we turned around, to be honest.
Wow, it's so pretty.
We were originally going to wait the rain out there, but instead ended up seeing not 1, but 2 rainbows and are now on our way to our campsite, which is not really a campsite. Maybe I'll give you a little tour of it when we get there. The rain didn't really let up for more than 10 minutes while we were sitting in the lot, so we just decided to call it and maybe come back tomorrow. What do you think? We'll see if tomorrow is the day that today wasn't. Just turned around and saw this little guy hanging out right here on the edge of the countertop full of coffee, so that would have been horrific.
Hold on, everybody.
How you doing? You can see over here, we got this kind of little like divot section. Trying to get as many people in here as possible since it's the only place you can camp, and hopefully we don't get parked in, but I'm sure someone would rather get woken up in the morning than not have a spot. So that's home for the night. We're gonna make some dinner because we're gonna get up early tomorrow to go on that hike that we didn't go on today. Okay, dinner tonight, we've got a little pasta dish with some pesto and then a little cooked up mushroom, red pepper, a bunch of other things too, but you get the gist.
This is the dining room.
Oh,
Welcome.
wow, that's really nice. Wow. Wow, fine dining, huh?
Yes. Look, the ladies are helping. Good morning, everyone. We're going to start you off with some light whisper ASMR.
Some nice calm vibes.
Let's get this hike.
Please make your way to the front, ladies.
All right, let's try not to hit anyone as we're backing out here.
Yeah, the lot is a little bit full this morning.
It is yet again another cloudy day, but no rain. So I think we're going to try to crush this hike.
All right, ladies. It's redemption hike time. We're going to take this little lady. She's been working on her hiking. We haven't really showed it here on YouTube, but she did end up actually taking a 3-mile hike a couple days ago. Go check out our Instagram to see a little bit more of that and her hiking journey. We'll see how she does because she's not great on trail around like people, but it's only a 2-mile hike, so it should be pretty chill for her. So she's getting suited up for the day here.
Yes, we're going to go. Hold on. Okay, in your bag. Let's go. Come on,
in the bag.
Let's go. She loves the bag.
Sasha is very much bag trained, and when we go hiking with her, for now, we're bringing this bag in case she gets tired or spooked or if there's a bunch of people or something.
This is the little system we got going on. So we have this like massive carabiner on this retractable leash. This is a 10-foot leash, and all of this stuff is linked on our Instagram. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, go do that, and you can find the links to all of that there. Okay, bye, Lula. Bye, baby.
Bye.
We can't dilly-dally though, okay? People behind us. Oh, she's going. Good girl. Come on.
That's going to be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We'll see you next week on Friday. Stay tuned.